I want to just take a very brief look at something called the LLC and MAC sublayers of layer 2. So the data link layer, or layer 2, we often divide into two sublayers, the LLC sublayer and the MAC sublayer. And I want you to notice something here. The LLC sublayer, which actually interfaces with the network layer, layer 3 up here, is all by itself. That is to say, these different protocols are not different in this LLC sublayer. This is where drivers exist, actually. And then down here in the MAC sublayer, we actually have some differences for Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or other protocols, so that we don't have to keep changing out the LLC sublayer up here. Now, we're not going to go into very big specifics about what these sublayers do, but you should be aware of them. And you should be aware that the LLC sublayer is the one that talks to the network layer. The MAC layer, by the way, this stands for Logical Link Control, and this stands for Media Access Control. So Logical Link Control is that addressing stuff, and then Media Access Control is that access to the media. So the MAC sublayer talks to this physical layer and regulates how the data and when the data is going to be placed on the physical medium. So that's all we're going to get into for the sublayers, mainly just to be aware of them and the fact that most of these protocols share the same LLC sublayer.